Hello everyone, this is Emily, a Japanese wife living in Luxembourg. In this channel, I want to discuss with you about life, love, career, everything matters in your life through discovering about a woman who lived in end of Edo era, Princess Yachiyo.
Calendar in the world. In Japan, New Year's Day is the most important event through the year. Just like in the West, for Christianity countries, Christmas is one of the most important events. So, in general, December is the busiest time for many people. Buying some gifts, preparing greeting cards, make special dinners or lunch. But what if the date differs? In the world of today, we live according to types of calendar. Although there are many different calendars existing, as we live in universe and calendars are often based on astronomical observation, there are on the whole 3 types of calendars: solar calendar, lunar calendar, and lunisolar calendar. Solar calendar, 太陽暦, is based on the sun. It is the most common used in the world today. The worldwide standard Gregorian calendar is solar calendar and is based on Christianity. As you know, this calendar consists of 365 days, 7 days a week, and 12 months for the year. On the other hand, lunar calendar, 太陰暦, is based on the moon. Every new moon is the start of the new month. Many Islamic countries which use Hijri calendar applies this calendar for their living. For the lunar calendar, 1 month is approximately 29.5 days. 1 year is 354 days. Another type is lunisolar calendar. 太陰太陽暦 is the combination of moon and sun. It's basically lunar calendar, but it also has leap month every some time. Leap month exists almost every once in 3 years. There are 11 days difference between solar calendar and lunar calendar. When 3 years passed, it will be almost a month difference. So they add 13th month every some time. Until Edo era, Japan was using different calendars, including Japanese original lunisolar calendar. So, how was it like in Edo culture? It was like this. When the new moon comes, people understand it's another month. As the day goes by, the moon becomes bigger. When it reaches to the full moon, they understand it's 15th day of the month. As the day goes by, the moon becomes smaller. When the moon reaches to the new moon, it will be another month. Also, there were long months, Dai no tsuki, which is consists of 30 days, and short month, Shou no tsuki, consists of 29 days. They took turn, long month and short month, and the details of the calendar changed every year. When you compare with nowadays Gregorian calendar, now December should have been 11th month Shimozuki in Edo era. January should have been 12th month Shiwasu in Edo era. February should have been the first month Mutsuki in Edo era. So, if we were in Edo era, we were not at the end of the year yet. Why the time difference? When Japanese government introduced Gregorian calendar, it was the year should have been leap month. But the government skipped almost 2 months, most of the 12th month and the leap month, informing in the beginning of 12th month, saying such as, from tomorrow it will be the January 1st. By using Gregorian calendar, it became suitable and easier to trade with other countries. Also unconsciously accepting Christianity culture into Japan, we could reach to one of the worldwide standard, but some says the Japanese government wanted to save money by skipping these 2 specific months salary at the time. There are also differences in the time and culture comparing with Edo era. In Edo era, New Year's Day was the most important day, not only but also was everyone's birthday. In Edo era, people were using East Asian age reckoning, kazuedoshi. It was a concept that when baby was born, he or she was already the first year to the world. Every New Year's Day, people get older. Imagine if you were born in the end of 12th or 13th month. In few days, the baby became 2 years old to the world. Peach Festival, Joushi no Sekku, was also important. It was initially ritual for purify misfortune using shape of doll, substituting oneself. Nowadays, it is more known for Girls' Festival, Girls' Day, Hinamatsuri, as the dolls became gorgeous ornament. The culture was influenced by China, and peach was also seen to be a sacred fruit to get rid of misfortune. There are other festivals related to Iris, Chrysanthemum. Many of these events are motivated wishing for the health, getting rid of misfortune, some rituals for long life living. It was difficult for babies or children to survive high mortality rate in Edo era. People did anything for wishing the health according to seasons. So, here's the question for you today. When is your special day? Which is the most important day for you? Considering dates and important events differs according to the cultures and calendars, do you have any idea for a new special day? For example, I thought, in a time like this, maybe we can set a health day in every full moon day, and we could thank for the health we already have and thank for the people working for the health like in hospital. In this way, people can have a time to appreciate and love universally. In the next episode, it's gonna be an interview time. Thank you for watching. Please put like and subscribe. See you next time. Ciao ciao.